Yeah. So hello everyone, this is Aditya from Dark Fractal, and this video we are recording as a sample for one of our clients to just show them what we can do with the video and for a project and try out different stuff. So this is the particular setup we have. It is the first sample of the setup as which we have created as per the requirement of the client as per our last meeting. So let's see how this video turns up, and after seeing this, what kind of feedback client gives so that we could improve this and get it as close to as possible as their requirements. So first of all, this screen would be some kind of animation over here and a person sitting over here. This can be, we have just put a green screen behind me, which is a very boxy kind of thing, which just upper half part will be shown. We could do it for a whole body thing, and which you can move your hands and explain stuff like that. Okay, and so let's move ahead. The topic of the day, which we have chosen here, is human digestive system. So why human digestive system? Let me change the screen so as per the screen, as per the image and as per the content, we'll always try to select as better suiting background. So here we have selected something like this, which is much more plainer but gives some kind of engaging vibes to the viewer. So okay, so this is the human digestive system which we have selected. We'll be putting some kind of infographics and some kind of what over here. One of the sample is, you can see, like this. Also, what we could do, put some graphs in and some different kinds of stuff, and one example is like this. And see, as you can see, this kind of animations over here we could do for any kind of requirements. As you can see, the things are moving around here, and any kind of text visualization, any kind of text animation we could put over here as per the client's requirement. So few more, this, and that's it. So let's move to the major presentation side of the things. So let's say if somebody wants to present something, what can be done. So let me take down this image, and now we have a clear cut display. But the presentation, in terms of presentation, let's activate the PPT mode. So here you can see we have downloaded a PPT by Dr. Ali on digestive system. And now what we are going to do is, this is how any kind of a professional who is expert in this will be explaining stuff. As this is only for sample, we don't claim any rights to all these things. It's just for sample and for our personal use and clients. Cool. So let's move ahead. Cool. So this is the introduction. And after that we could go ahead. Here you can see functions of digestive system, digestion, mechanical design, chemical secretion, absorption, and blah blah blah. Here they have also shown the whole system and explain each and every part as an overview of the things. Then they could go into deep, give these kind of infographics over there. So please remember that while making the PPT, we could also animate this stuff. So obviously what happens is, this is just a very straightforward PPT. But what we could do is, while making the PPT, we could help out in basically animating this stuff, so that all these infographics you see over here, for example, every part is labeled, so that could fly in, something like that. So that could be done in PPT itself. So while showing the PPT, it is much more easier and engaging for the speaker also, and while seeing the viewer also. So we could do lots of stuff like that. It's up to the imagination of our team and the project. So let's move ahead. And these kind of stuff, blah blah blah, these kind of images can be shown. Move. So basically this, as you can see, is this PPT is very much in depth, and what we could do is to make it much more engaging and less boring and much more interesting, to put animations, to switch back and forth in this kind of screen, and go back again and then come back again, show infographics like this and this, here, this, and then switch back quickly to the text section. So it's in and out. So let me just quickly go to the end of the PPT, blah blah blah, and clinical terms and all that. Cool. So this is it, and we could end it with a particular animation, for example, which we have started back there. So let me get back to our dark fractal kind of screen. And thank you. Hope you liked it. Please, ma'am or sir, if you are watching this, give us feedback. What do you think about it? What we could improve in this, and hopefully we are working in the right direction as per your requirement, and will obviously constantly work harder to achieve that. Thank you. Bye bye.